I'm just going around and reseal these up. Spray that's inside the doors should be dry by now. So all I do is try and get the air out of it. Try and spread it out so going to go around, do that to all the doors. Go out inside, get cleaned up. I'll put the door covers on later, clean up all the bolts, and tomorrow, being Wednesday, put the bull bar back on. I thought I'd put the door panels back on, just something we don't have to do tomorrow, and just concentrate putting the bull bar back on. You may recall that this came off. This actually just pulls out from here, slides back in. Thought I might have to glue it, but we'll see how that goes anyway. And put them back on. Had a bit of a hard time trying to get it over that last time. Just got a little bit of grease there to help. So that goes back in for your top speaker. The main control panel, go back in, screwed in, and that's it. Let's see how we go. Okay, supporting the door with that, to take this clip here out of there so that I can get this control box into the right clips where it should go. As you can see here, there are moulds for it to fit in properly, because it didn't look right when I was putting it in, so that's what we're going to do. And no doubt this is the first one. It's always going to be the tricky one. There we go. And a bit of rain coming out of that. Move, boy. Move. Move. Try and get that. Feels pretty good. Right, now let's try and get that back in there, and then we'll lift it up over that and go around and clip it all in. That's the plan. Okay, that's that on. Better put these in. Now it's starting to rain. Alright. Got to get it up over that piece there. Then it will go in. Hopefully. Finally worked it out. You start at the top, you get in here, make sure your rubbers are on the inside of your window. I managed to get that out, and that should just clip in. That's it. I can't remember which one's which. We've got these to put on, and obviously that and that. So this is going to be interesting, so we're going to do this one now. actually does. It doesn't seem to click into anywhere. But anyway, that's why it was a prick in the first place. It's a fucking bitch to get off. That's it, it's in there. See it in there, it's on the clip. That's it. Okay. Just sort these screws out. This one's somewhere in there like that. That's it. So I better check that. Just thought I'd show you. Just like that. So those are clipped in. Harness is in. Come up to the top here. Oh, that's where that's from. Let's see. Yeah, we should be able to get that in there with that on. Dog's hanging out for a ride. This time we're going to try if the loom's in. The looms are in. I'm going to put these on. Just like that. We are going to put that in. Now I'm going to come up. I'm going to put that on. That's it. These back doors up. Bit of a breeze to do. Just make sure you got your harness on the right way. Yellow to the top. Blue to the bottom. Like so. come into the top here. And part of it just broke off then.